Good morning. I have been busy doing some really fun projects for the Christmas holiday coming up. And one of the Christmas holidays that I saw on Jennifer Maker was such a cute project that I just had to try it out. And maybe you saw it, but it was with the toilet paper and decorating your toilet paper. So this is what she had, where you could supplement on toilet paper. Isn't this just really cute? And you get the hat and the little face and then the scarf and the buttons. Really adorable. Plus she had words on there like rosy cheeks, and anyway, was just really cute. But here's the thing. Here's what I had a little problem with. This comes out kind of soft. I mean, it doesn't soft like the toilet paper, but just not really bright like supplementation does. So the other thing is once you take it off, the little plunger, which is what makes this so adorable, it's gone. The sublimation's gone, everything's gone. And I am a person that doesn't like waste. So during the night, while I was sleeping, the Lord woke me up and gave me an idea that I absolutely love. So I want to share it with you. So here it goes. Are you ready? You're going to love it. So rather than supplementation right directly on the toilet paper, like we showed you on here, what I did was I created just on polyester, 100% polyester, and got it at Joann Fabrics, not the cheapest. So look for the deals, look for the coupons that Joann always has. And maybe you can find it somewhere else too, but it was like $15 a yard. But I did get this one off, 50% off, so that worked for me. And what I did is I created this little template, and basically just doing a 20-inch by 6.5. That's all I just cut it in. And then I sewed right on the edges of it just to tuck them in. And of course I use an iron just to, to help with the hem, just to make it so it's nice and smooth on both sides. Then of course, sewing it along the edges, and then I'll show you the end product here. Here we go. So here's my first one that I did. Isn't this cute? So hello sweet cheeks. Then I used Jennifer Maker's hat with of course our golden retriever and a scarf just to check it out, just to see how it would work. But look at how bright it is. I don't have to use that spray that she has on her instructions to be able to help make it brighter and go through that process. Yes, this does take a little extra time by doing some sewing, but now I can take this off and create a whole new look for another roll. And I can create little sets, so each set looks different, and I'll show you next what that looks like. So here are my projects that I have been working super hard with, and just love each and every single one of them for the Christmas season coming up to give for gifts. So this one, so adorable. Hello sweet cheeks, and a little bit of a Scandinavian look that goes with that for my in-laws. So loving that one. Look at how bright it is. I just love the supplementation on that. And of course this one is also a favorite. Love this one. For my son who loves his dogs, so, and animals. And again, I get some of these sayings just off of Design Bundles has a great amount of images on there, but yeah, that's where I get a lot of my images from. This one I love mainly because of the fact that I tried my hand at taking two different images and putting them together, which turned out great by putting the saying along with the cupcakes in the background. So sprinkles are for cupcakes, not for toilet seats. So that was a cute one. And then again, just being able to experiment with the supplementation and seeing how that works out on these as well. So love my hand at that. So try it yourself. I think you'll like it. And my next one, I love. I have to say, this one is my favorite, mainly because we're a horse family. So you're stinking cute with the cute little horses. And again, all the images got on design bundles. Love how bright this is. I mean, the colors are just amazing and they just really pop. But I had to make one for the Christmas season. And I wanted to show you again by using the supplementation and different designs. Isn't this adorable? So look familiar? From Jennifer Maker's designs that she gives on her site. If you go to the jennifermaker.com and look for the toilet paper, she gives you those images for free. So by taking those images, I just attached them to this horse on when I was designing it. So it just gives you that flexibility to do all kinds of things. So this one for the Christmas season will look wonderful in our bathroom. So lastly, I just want to encourage you to enjoy making some wonderful gifts with the idea that Jennifer Maker gave and doing toilet paper and toilet paper rolls. I mean, really, it's a gift that everyone can use. And it will look absolutely adorable in their bathroom. So by taking these designs, this one is also from Jennifer Maker, but you can go on design bundles, and I'm sure you have your own sites too, where you can get some images for supplementation. But don't forget, 100% polyester when you're making these. Gotta have it. That's what's going to give you your color. So have some fun and enjoy making some wonderful gifts this holiday season. God bless and Merry Christmas, everyone.